Well, g'day everybody and welcome back. This is a really quick update. I'm not even going to set up a microphone. I've had the number 4 carburetor off Bill's bike. I stripped it off the bank today and I've had it soaking in the ultrasonic cleaner, and if I get too close it'll fog, but there's all this putty on there that somebody has previously tried to glue that on with. Now on Wednesday night I have booked a play date with my mate Richard so I can borrow his machinery, and I'm going to attempt to do a decent repair on this. I have done a ghetto repair before. If you're interested in that, it's up in the corner popping out on a card. You can go and have a look at that. But this time I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Just another reminder too, if you want to help support this build, all of the income streams for this channel are going into help Bill's bike. So thanks to everybody who's made the one-off PayPal donation, which is down in the links down in the gobbledygoo, and for everybody else that's joined on with Patreon or gone and bought themselves a t-shirt or something, anything that can help. New brushes are on their way from America, and I expect that they'll be here sometime this week. Thank you very much, Adrian Gotts. Everybody else, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and hopefully next weekend we'll have a new video out on the GS1000. Bye for now.